How to write conditional if formula? If formula gives result only after meeting with certain conditions. Let's see, we have one is text, another is number. If bracket open, if the same value is there, then it should come, otherwise not. Reference B6, in quotation we need to give 12. True. If the value is available, then it will be true. If not, false. It is there. If you change the value, it will become false. This is used for text, and text has no value at all, so we can use only equal to. In other way also we can write formula if equal to, just give text. If the value is correct, then we want to multiply the number with 2. Just for example, otherwise false or 0 we can put it. Since the value is met with an criteria, it is multiplied. For text conditional if, we can use only equal to. Let's write conditional formula for number. If the number is equal to 12, then multiply, otherwise no, false. If we same way, if we copy the formula to next level, it will not work because the value is different. Here we can use less than or greater than. We can change formula here, F2, make changes here, less than, it works. The same way we can able to change again F2, whether the condition may meet or not, we will see, greater than, since numbers has values, we can use it as a less than, greater than, equal to, whereas in text we can use only equal to. Conditional functions allows calculation based on meeting certain conditions in function. How to write sum if formula? We want only apple. For that, let's write a formula, sum if, bracket open, just give range here, comma, we want only apples, select it, then sum range, enter, 60 plus 70, it is given total of 130. Another condition is, the two conditions are met, then only it will give result. The same way we want apple, Kashmir apple. Let's write formula for sum ifs. It needs to be met with two conditions, then only it will give result. One is we want apple and another is Kashmir, then only it should give result. Sum ifs bracket open. Here we first give sum range. Then criteria. First criteria is this one. Either we can click here or here also. Better we click here only. Next condition is location wise. Select entire range. Then we want Kashmir. The formula is based on two conditions met, then only it gives result.